Hello! I have a surprise for you. You are going to listen to your story in English. Let's go! The Wolf and the Little Yellow Riding Hood in Modern Times. Once upon a time, there was a girl who lived downtown, and her name was Little Yellow Riding Hood. One day, her mommy decided to prepare a basket with burgers, fruit, and brigadeiro to take it to her grandma. To get to her grandma's apartment, she took an Uber. She started to talk to the driver and told him about the delicious basket. During the conversation, the girl realized that the driver was weird with big eyes and a big mouth. The driver stopped the car before the apartment building, told her to get off the car, and drove very fast. When he arrived, he pretended to be a delivery man from iFood and got to Grandma's apartment. When he got into the apartment, he swallowed Grandma. So he put on her clothes and lay down on her bed. While all this, the little Yellow Riding Hood had to take a bus to arrive. When she got to the apartment, she saw her on the bed and realized she was weird. Then she listened to a cell phone ringing and vibrating. Grandma started to twist her body like someone who is in pain. Suddenly, the grandma that was not grandma threw up the real grandma. The girl realized that it was the driver who was not the driver, but the big bad wolf. So they were running away, got into the bathroom, and locked the door. Grandma, who was used to practice contortion, suggested to escape from the window using the curtain. Soon they were on the ground floor, and the wolf, who took the elevator, crashed the doorman, who put pepper inside its mouth. As the wolf was desperate, it jumped into the pool. It drank so much water that his belly almost exploded. After all that, the wolf was taken to the zoo where it spent its days being exposed to the visitors. Little Yellow Riding Hood and Grandma were happily forever. This is your story. Bye bye.